Ki khana Shillong School jangka Sunrays Secondary School lembat ki khana school kanthei jangka Synod High Secondary School kilalong ki Lahduh hakalumpung elekai 32nd state level inter school karate tournament arhajar arpun rio kabralong hakini kilai sngi katana do arpulai hadu arpusan tarik naitung ha multi purpose indoor sports hall sai STC NEHU ki school ki bawan baar ne runners up pat kilong ka St Anthony's High Secondary School nakalyang ki khana Shinrang bat nakalyang ki khana kanthei pat ka school ka bawan baar ka de ka Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School menta ka snam ka jingwan ni shim menta ki school kalong ka babun bha ha ba kala kanjo shadu shispa arpun riu tili ki school bat ki khana nawan ni shim menta baro kila poi shadu praspa arngut kata lai spa khandai phwe ngut ki khana kanthei bat saw spa khatwe ngut ki khana Shinrang Hagini ki lai sngi jong ki jinga khun lami paru ki rang bat ki thaya le kai ki ba kan sai bat ki bat tibet tam ka bala penlongi ki bakin yo bakin ra ka nam best karateka ki khana bala yo ban ra ya kini ki nam ki long best karateka boys junior college Udaran R Warjari Christian Academy High Secondary School Best Karateka Boys Senior Pusaimi Aikendia Lumperdi Yongpia UP School Jowai Best Karateka Girls Junior MRT Karwansuk Stonyland Secondary School Best Karateka Girls Senior Asenka Beryl Marwen St. Joseph's High Secondary School Ukongsan balalet banedon lang hakapor bapenkut no yakani kalumpung Uday uba Ivan Benson Dingdo, Additional Superintendent of Police, East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya, Kadba Usumbur Kong Sanpat, uba Alan Nyangti, President West Jainti Hills Karate Association. Yakani Kalumpung la Let Ban Play, da uba John F. Karshiyeng, Co-Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board, but Working President Meghalaya State Olympic Association, but Usumbur Kong Sunday, General Secretary ka MSOA ba finally el pariat but dan lang kinong kitkam jong ka AMKA kinong hikay jong ki school ki kimi ki kapa but kumju ki khna no wan ya shimbanta
and also presenting guest of our meeting Sir Lahduh, the president of Amka in the state. Thank you, sister, for being with us on the
members of the Meghalaya Association, those on the dais, and everyone present here today. Good evening to all. It brings me immense pleasure to see many Karachikas here today. This is testimony of how popular this sport is in our state, in Northeast, and in the country as a whole. To be honest with you, my first introduction to karate was through movies. Those days we had the Karate Kid, the next Karate Kid. We had movie stars like Chuck Norris. We had movie stars like John Van Damme, and so on. And seeing again how the sport has grown, knowing a bit about how it started in Japan many years ago, and from Japan was introduced in America, other parts of the world, how it grew, and what it focuses. That is also very important. Karate, it focuses on discipline. It focuses on respecting your opponents. It focuses on being humble. It focuses on having compassion. These are traits of a good athlete. Winning and losing is part and parcel of life. winning and losing is part and parcel of any sport. And how you handle the wins, how you handle the losses, will say a lot about you as karateka. My best wishes to all of you here. I am hoping to see many of you represent Meghalaya at the national level. In the future, I am hoping to see many of you represent the country at international levels in the future as well. All Meghalaya Karate Association. This tournament, as we can see, is a success. And this is only the start. My best wishes that it grows further, brings about more success, and contributes towards the growth of everyone here. With these few words, once again, all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Chui. Lấy giang lăng này. Chưa đâu. Không có lên đâu, không có lên nhiều rồi. Cái phần dung cũng không phải là nhiều.
Congratulations to the karatekas that won today. To those who did not, please be patient. Your time will also come. Big congratulations to the All Meghalaya Karate Judo Association, the sports department, everyone here, and my best wishes to each and every one of you. With these few words, I declare the 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament 2026 closed.